we just got out of one of the classes. It was a fun experience, considering it's my first time. But it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Well, I'm probably gonna keep on doing it for the rest of my high school year. And I want to come to UTRGV for college.
I hope to go experience this, and also, I guess, tips as well from people who generally work in the profession itself. I guess trying to take my talent to step upwards from what it is right now. I hope to be better than I am right now when I come out of this.
So seeing as though they're the professionals in their work field, they have the most fundamental idea of what it is that they're doing. And so being able to take in exactly what it is they're doing and apply it to our group would be probably the one thing I'm looking forward to.
Our director, Jose Villanueva, he's from the Valley, and so he's very familiar and he's known about this, for years. So when he started at Edison, he said, we need to take the kids down there. That's where they're going to learn the most and compete with the best. My daughter is very passionate about mariachi. All the kids are. We see it, so we're like, yes, let's push it. Let's embrace it.
FESTIBA has always been a big thing in my heart, and I had to bring them here. I had to bring them. So far, they're enjoying it immensely. A lot of them have already told me, sir, I've learned so many things, I've learned so much, and they've only been playing for about 5 months. So they're loving it, they're enjoying it.